How to create a discount code on WooCommerce Expertrec. WooCommerce offers the ability to create and manage discount codes to attract and reward customers. To create a discount code, first access the WooCommerce settings in your WordPress admin panel. Enable coupons under the General tab to allow for the creation and use of discount codes. Click on the Coupons tab and create a new coupon by entering a code, description, discount type, and usage restrictions. Apply coupon restrictions to target specific customer segments and tailor your marketing efforts. Set coupon usage limits to create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, driving customers to make a purchase. Configure how the coupon is displayed to customers under the Display tab. Once all settings are configured, publish the coupon and test it before making it live. Creating discount codes is a powerful strategy to boost sales and incentivize customer engagement on your online store.